Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start now, open the Vault app and go straight to the login screen. Make sure your device is online and you have the account email or recovery code available. Disable biometric unlock so it won't interfere with credential changes. Tap Forgot Password or the recovery link. This triggers the secure reset flow. You do this to verify ownership before making any change, which protects your stored secrets. Once the reset flow begins, follow prompts patiently because the app validates proof of identity. Once you choose verification, select email, SMS, or paste your recovery code. If you pick email or SMS, check the message immediately. Codes often expire in minutes. Then enter the 6-digit code exactly as shown. If you're using a recovery code, paste it in one go and avoid extra spaces. The app checks checksum. Make sure to confirm the code. The app then allows password selection. This step prevents attackers from hijacking your account and ensures only you can reset credentials. After verification, choose a strong password, aim for 12 or more characters with mixed types, and save it in a secure manager. Confirm and follow prompts to re-enable biometrics and let the app fully sync your Vault data. Test signing out and back in to confirm the reset worked. If something goes wrong, like no access to the recovery email, contact support and be ready to provide identity proof. This is the primary fallback to restore access when automated recovery fails.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.